Yes, good morning children. Let us see how to find whether one polynomial is the factor of another polynomial. See here the question is check whether g of x, this polynomial is given, is a factor of the another polynomial p of x. Okay, so g of x is t square minus 3 and p of x, this polynomial, is 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. So we have to check whether this g of x is the factor of the polynomial p of x or not. For that we will use the long division method. If we get the remainder after the division as 0, then it will be a factor, otherwise not. So t square minus 3, this is the divisor and this is the dividend. 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. So now we are going to divide this polynomial p of x by g of x. Okay, so degree of this p of x is 4. The first term is 2t to the power 4. Degree is 4. Here divisor degree is 2. Difference between the degrees is 2. Therefore we will multiply this by t square. Coefficient of t to the power 4, this term is 2. Therefore we have to multiply by 2t square. Okay, so first division will be of 2t square. 2t square into t square is 2t to the power 4 because we have to add the degrees. So t square into t square will be t to the power 4. So we get the first term as 2t to the power 4. Okay, then 2t square into minus 3. This also we have to multiply. So it will be minus 6t square. Minus 6t square, will write t square term below the t square term. Okay, so this is minus 2t square, skip this term, and here you write this minus 6t square. So be careful while writing the terms. We should write the like terms together. So 2t to the power 4 and the second term is minus 6t square, I have written here. Okay, now take the subtraction. Here change the sign, it will become negative. Since it is positive term, it will become negative. This is negative, then change the sign, it will become plus. Okay, 2t to the power 4 minus 2t to the power 4 will get cancelled. This is 6t square minus 2t square is 4t square, and take this 3t cube term as it is down. So this is 3t cube, I have written here 3t cube plus 4t square, and take this minus 90 also as it is. Okay, minus 90. Now here this first term is 3t cube. Okay, then divisor degree is 2, difference between the degrees is 1. So now we have to multiply by t. Coefficient of this t cube is 3, that's why we have to multiply by 3t. So 3t into t square. 3t into t square is 3t cube. So plus 3t into t square will be plus 3t cube. So we should get the same term over here. Okay, so 3t cube, and this is also now 3t cube. So 3t into t square is 3t cube, and 3t into minus 3, it will be 9t. So minus 90, I will write here below this 90. Okay, so minus 90 I have written here. Again change the sign, this will be negative, minus, change the sign here also. Okay, so plus, these are like terms, they are same, and we can cancel them. Opposite terms, plus minus, so it will get cancelled. Write this 4t square as it is, and then I will take this minus 12 also down. Okay, I have written here minus 12. So 4t square, and now this is minus 12. Okay, so t square degree is same, we can multiply by 4. So plus 4, because the coefficient here is 4, so we have to multiply by 4. Plus 4 into t square will be 4t square. We get the same term. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Okay, again change the sign. This will become negative, this will become positive. Okay, 4t square minus 4t square will get cancelled, plus 12 minus 12 will get cancelled. We get the remainder 0. Since the remainder is 0, we can say that this t square minus 3 is the factor of this polynomial. So if the remainder is 0, this term is the factor of the given polynomial, otherwise not. Okay, one more example. So here the remainder is 0 and hence we can write that g of x is the factor of p of x. The next example, in this example this divisor is x cube minus 3x plus 1, because we have to check whether this polynomial, first polynomial, is the factor of the second or not. Okay, so this polynomial is of degree 5. First term is x to the power 5. Divisor is of degree 3. Difference between the degrees is 2. So we will multiply it by x square. Okay, x square into x cube. This term is x to the power 5. So x square into x cube, x to the power 5, x square into minus 3x will be minus 3x cube. So I have written here the term minus 3x cube, below the term minus 4x cube. Okay, then x square into 1 will be x square. I have written x square here. Change the sign. I'm going to change the sign of these terms. This will be negative, plus, positive, and the negative sign again. First term we can cancel directly. X to the power 5 minus x to the power 5 will get cancelled. Similarly, x square minus x square will get cancelled. And here minus 4x cube and plus 3x cube will be minus x cube. Minus x cube. Okay, and take this term 3x as it is down, as well as 1. So I have written 1 as it is. Okay, minus x cube. Now the degrees are same. Okay, just we have to write its coefficient. This is minus 1, so I have written minus 1 here. Minus 1 into x cube is minus x cube. Minus 1 into minus 3 will be plus 3x, and minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Change the sign again. This will become positive, this is negative, and positive. Okay, minus 3x cube plus 3x cube will get cancelled, plus 3x minus 3x will get cancelled, but here it is 1 plus 1. Consider the sign that we have changed. 1 plus 1, it is 2. Remainder is 2, it is not 1. Remainder is 2, and hence the we can say that this is not the factor of the given polynomial. Okay, so we can write the remainder is 2, it is not equal to 0, therefore x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not the factor of the given polynomial.